Hello, I'm Bob Renfro with Hall Supply, and we're here to talk about our service department today, where we service everything we sell, from blades for your mower to tires for your mowers or your trailers. We have all in stock. We service axles, we service ramps, we service decks. We can replace your deck. Here we have a mower. It's not even one that we sell, but we do work on them, all brands. Here we have Fred taking care of things. We have Henry over here that is getting ready to put axles on a trailer. Even if we don't sell it, we're proud to service your trailers for whatever you have needs of. We do it all. Come see us.